Can Amazon make money? For more than 2 decades, Amazon generated billions in revenue.
This is not a new phenomenon. We are a famously unprofitable company, and we are investing in the future.
But barely managed to break even. Sometimes, it even lost money. And everyone wondered, would it ever be profitable? The answer is yes. After reaching total market domination, Jeff Bezos stepped down in 2021. And that's when Amazon finally switched on its money machine. In just 4 years it went from losing $3.57 billion to making over $85 billion a year. Today it earns more than Meta, and almost as much as Nvidia. All of this with only a 10% net margin. Amazon is no longer just the e-commerce giant. It's one of the most profitable companies in history. And the most surprising part, this was always Bezos' plan. Since 2003, when it barely made $35 million, the story repeated. Revenues grew. Its stock went up.
Is amazing. And now they say, isn't it amazing that Amazon's losing so much money?
Well, we are a famously unprofitable company, and that is a conscious strategy and an investment decision. And we've always had a lot of controversy surrounding the company.
But profits stayed flat. Bezos didn't care. His philosophy was simple.
Day 2 is stasis, followed by irrelevance, followed by excruciating, painful decline, followed by death.
Sell at cost, even at a loss, and reinvest everything back into the business. He wasn't competing with bookstores. He wasn't competing with postal services. He was competing with everyone. Supermarkets, fashion, entertainment, data centers, health. Bezos was betting big. His motto, "Your margin is my opportunity." While others enjoyed fat margins, he sacrificed profits to gain market share. Like a lemonade stand that becomes profitable, and then uses its earnings to open a burger stand, then a hot dog stand, and so on. That was the vision. The problem, growing like this cost a lot of money. Amazon didn't raise capital like Google, Meta, or Uber. In its entire history, it raised only $63 billion in equity. Tiny compared to its rivals. To survive, they relied on debt, and was extremely austere. And then, came the secret weapon. Amazon Web Services. In 1997, Andy Jassy, Bezos' assistant, noticed Amazon was drowning in data. The solution, build its own infrastructure. That solved the internal problem. But soon they realized it could be a global business. In 2006 they launched AWS, and practically built the backbone of the modern internet. Netflix, Disney+, Dropbox, Shopify, Formula One. Even the CIA. All trusted AWS. And with barely a tenth of retail revenues, AWS generated twice the profits. It became the growth engine that funded everything else. The decisive shift came in 2021, when Andy Jassy became CEO. He raised prices, cut costs, and pushed AWS margins up to 36%. Advertising revenues grew, Prime got more expensive, and Amazon laid off tens of thousands in underperforming divisions. The result? In 2024 it closed with $62 billion in operating income, and today it makes more than $85 billion a year. Top 10 among the most profitable companies in the world. Jeff Bezos was never crazy. He knew that sacrificing short-term profits was the only way to achieve long-term domination. Amazon delayed earnings for decades to build infrastructure, servers, and above all, customer loyalty. Amazon changed the rules of the game. But remember, no company is immortal. The real question is, will Amazon also fall one day?